Yeah, no, don't sell. Just be patient. You don't have to be fearful. Fear is not okay in crypto. All right? No, no fear. Get rid of emotions. When you trade, you have no emotions. All right, Warren. All right. I'm here recording a video, and I'm just giving advice to people like you that need trading advice. Yeah. I know you need this money, Warren. Just don't sell, alright? Be patient. Alright guys, I was on a call with my dear friend Warren Buffett. I know that he's a beginner, he needs some tips from me, and that's why he asked me if he should sell his Filecoin or not. Today we are going to talk about Filecoin and how I made a prediction, a call on Filecoin without even doing it. So let's start. Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Millionaire from scratch. It's Paul Wayne, and in this video we will talk about Filecoin and how I made a good call on Filecoin without even knowing. And if you remember 2 weeks ago, more than 2 weeks ago, I said that Filecoin will go to the moon. Filecoin was on position 30, 40, 50 something, I'm not sure, but I knew it would go up just because I liked certain things on their website. Let me explain. But before we start, I would appreciate if you'd smash the like button and the subscribe button and notifications bell on, because we are building a strong community here. Alright, let's start. I want to start by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing that I see here is financial advice. I'm not in the instance to give you financial advice. I'm just a broke kid here trying to make money on YouTube. Alright, let's go. So we can see here the market cap is green in the last 7 days, which is amazing. There are certain coins on red because we are correcting. It's a healthy correction. Everything is on green. Damn, we're going up. All right, it's amazing. So let's go to Filecoin. I made that certain call. Let me show you. I think not here, 1 month ago. So it was here, around here. I remember Filecoin was $42 and I said that it will go to the moon, but I didn't know if it was for sure or not. I didn't invest in it. I only said that I liked their website. It was not something that caught my attention, but as you can see here, it 5x'd. Yeah, 5x'd, even more than that. How crazy is this? So let's take a look to their website and why I liked their plan, roadmap, stuff like that. So first of all, when I took a look over Filecoin, the first thing that I noticed is that they have a use for their coin, and it's really useful. Moreover, they have the website done so professionally, it's so gorgeous. And this presentation right here explains everything you need to know about Filecoin, and just look how gorgeous it is and how smooth it goes. It takes you on this journey. It explains everything you need to know about Filecoin, its uses, how it makes a difference in the world, why it solves a problem, and stuff like that. This is really amazing. You can look over this presentation. I'm not going to just play the presentation here because it wouldn't be fair to them. I mean, I don't even know if I would bother them but just by showing you their presentation, because it's like promoting their coin. But I recommend you to go here and do your own research. Alright, so first of all, this is a coin that's used for file transfer. So you can transfer files just by holding Filecoin, and it's very explained in the video. So let me show you. Storing data with Filecoin, proving storage of files, retrieving files from the network. Again, it's better to watch their video, their explanations. They're the experts here, and it made me understand what the coin is and how it's going to be used. And this is really important when you are finding a gem, how Filecoin was. You should look to their team, you should take a look to their website and see if they're really clear, crystal clear and laser focused with their plans and explanations. Because if they're that clear, as Filecoin is, you know it's a good sign that the coin might go insanely up. It 5x in a short period of time, which is amazing for a top 100 coin. Moreover, it's not just a coin with a ton of uses, it can also be mined. And I'm not sure if it's regular mining or it's just mining just by holding files on your computer. The Filecoin mainnet is here, join today. So it is used right now. And I'm a dummy for missing out on this, but I have no regrets because I bought SparkPoint and Safe Haven and Cardano. But it was a great opportunity and I was blind for not seeing it. So we're already doing this, we're already using these coins, we're already putting everything into practice. In the last bull run, everything was only theoretical. Nobody was actually doing what they were talking about, and that's why people were so skeptical. And I was one of them too, even now. But I can see that during the bear market, people actually put it in insane amounts of work to get these projects actually working. As you can see here, Filecoin is working. This website is gorgeous. Alright, one more reason why I didn't invest in it is because I couldn't find anything about their team here. I remember that I was looking for their team because this is really important for me. No, I don't understand why meet Filecoin's collaborators. No, I can't see anything about the team. Let me Google it. Alright, I found something, but it's not on their website. Oh, it's not. Filecoin network achieves staggering team. Filecoin, a decentralized market of storage. No, I can't find anything about it. Oh, here is the team. Protocol Labs. Okay. Okay, so we are transparent with the team also. I should have looked deeper into this, but I didn't. So, lesson to learn here. When you find a coin with a great use, with an amazing presentation, and with everything on their website that looks professional, you should dig deeper because it might be a gem. And as you can see here, Filecoin really is a gem, and it's a coin with a lot of uses. Hold on, I'm not centered. Right, I'm now. I'm not feeling bad for missing out here, but I could have made some 5x returns really easy. Even if I was investing in this, I wouldn't go all in. Still, it's a great coin and a great lesson to learn, which is really important. Because either you earn money or learn lessons. Losing money is learning lessons. Because I can say that I lost money, but in the same time I didn't because I invested in something else. And if you want to learn more about crypto and how you can make money with crypto and more about my irresponsible financial decisions in the crypto, make sure to check the 2 videos on screen because they are really helpful. And if you want to join the 0 to million challenge in crypto with me, make sure to subscribe, notifications bell on, because I release more content like this. Remember one word, Dior, do your own research. I'm Apollo and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.